Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited because in this video I'm doing a mini haul of the things that I just picked up from Target. I literally just got back from Target a few minutes ago, so I thought I would share them with you all. Stay tuned and let's get started. Mwah! Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful friends. I'm so excited. I just got back from Target a few minutes ago, and yeah, I picked up some things that honestly are very random. They have nothing to do with spring, but they are decor pieces and some clothing items and some random things. Like, I'm just gonna share them with you all. You know Target, you all know it. You know what happens when you go to Target. Literally, I went looking for toothpaste and body wash. And then you start wandering through the aisles and you're like, oh, that's cute. Oh, it's on clearance. Oh, it's on sale. And yeah, then you get to the register and you're like, oh my God, I bought all of this stuff. But you know what? They're cute. I have use for them. And I like to think about of it as my contribution to the economy. Let's put it that way. But also, side note, if my audio is a little off, it's because I couldn't find my microphone, so I'm filming without a microphone. So I don't want to seem like I'm yelling. It's just like I'm trying to project so it gets the audio. But yeah, so let me get started. I picked up some really cute things from too low from the dollar spot at Target. I also grabbed a couple of clearance items, like decor items, and some cute sandals. I put a poll up on my Instagram, which is, if you're not following me on Instagram or TikTok, please follow me on there as well. I'm gonna link it somewhere on the screen for you all. But so that way you can follow my daily life. And I do a lot of polls and stuff on Insta and TikTok, and I also do a lot of DIY videos that I may not share on here, but they are on other platforms. So if you can follow me everywhere, there are links in the description box. Please do, and thank you so much. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below. And how about I just get started with this haul, because oh my god. Side note, oh my god, so many things that I want to share with you all. But I also went to Starbucks. This is like not sponsored or anything, but I went to Starbucks and I tried the new brown sugar oat milk drink, and let me tell you, it is absolutely delicious. Like, oh my god, it is so yummy. So yeah, maybe I'm a little wired because I just had my coffee maybe 30-40 minutes ago. But let me just get started with this video. Mwah! Okay friends, like the first thing I picked up, and I'm just gonna try to run through all of them to make it a little more easier. But let's start with the dollar spot finds, because you know dollar spot finds at Target be coming through lately, and like I'm not sure what Target is doing, but let me tell you, they have some cute stuff from the dollar spot. I mean, cute. So one of the first things I grabbed were these. Actually, you know what, let me take them out. I wanted to be a little more dramatic, but let me take them out. So I got these beautiful sort of Mercury glass mini Vosses. They're so cute. I'm thinking you can use them on a centerpiece. You can put some beautiful flowers in them and just decorate a shelf. But look how pretty these are. And they come in different sizes, so you can see how different they are. And they come, yeah, and they were only $5 from the dollar spot. Irony. But so yeah, $5 from the dollar spot at Target. But how adorbs are these? Like, let me see if I can put them on like the little thing that they came with. I just want to break them so you can see the sizes. But here they are. Look how pretty these are. So I grabbed two of these. So I grabbed that one, and I also grabbed this one as well. I'm gonna use them for some decor items, and you all know I'm obsessed with Vosses. Mini, big, small, textured, non-textured, all kinds of Vosses I love. So yeah, love these. $5, one of my favorite finds at Target. And yeah, I you know, picture, you could put like some fairy lights inside and have them project, because they are Mercury glass. How cute would that be? There you go. All right, next item. I'm super excited about this one. This was a clearance item that I got, and it was originally $14.99, and I got it for $4.49. It's actually an essential oil diffuser. Super cute. I love the finish on it because it's like a little terrazzo piece, but you charge it, you put your essential oil in it. I was reading on how to use it. I haven't opened it, but I'll open it later. It's kind of difficult and I don't have scissors right now. But look at the finish. It's so pretty for $4. I thought it would be cute to put it on a little table, but in my living room, in my bedroom, or my bathroom even. It does not require power because I know it comes with that USB cable. So I believe that you just charge it with the cable and then you just let it be. So that's a plus because you don't have to plug it anywhere. So that means that you can put it everywhere, or in your closet, in your bedroom, anywhere. So I got 2 of them as well. And they were again $4.49 for each. Another item that I picked up was this candle. Look how cute this candle. I mean, I like the finish and it smells really good. I also looked at the back. It's a cruelty free. It's a non-toxic. So I was like, oh my goodness, my face. So cruelty free, non-toxic, and the scent is Mandarin ginger. It was $5.99. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so fresh. Like, it smells like a botanical garden. All I see when I smell this is like in my head, I see bumblebees everywhere and a bunch of like flowers and trees. That's literally where my mind takes me when I smell this. It's just so good and so fresh. It smells clean, which I love. So if you're like me, I love burning candles for $5.99. I thought it was a good deal. I'm gonna try it. I've never tried it before. It's 100% satisfaction guaranteed, and it's 100% natural fragrance, non-toxic, burns for 25 hours, 100% soy wax candle. So we'll see. Hopefully it's a good candle, and yeah, so I'm gonna try it out. The next item I picked up from the dollar spot, I forgot because I started with the dollar spot, then I switched, but quick. I got one of these last year and I broke it by accident. So actually I didn't break it, it just broke by accident on its own. Like I put something over it and I think it was a little heavy and it just ended up breaking. But I grabbed one of these. Look, it's a round mirror. These are great for projects, and this is actually a really good size. I believe this is like 12 feet in diameter. No, I'm sorry, not 12 feet, like 12 inches in diameter. Like 12 feet in diameter. That's like massive. But 12 inches in diameter. Oh, hey, there you are. But yeah, so I grabbed this one from the dollar spot as well. It was $5. And these are great. I love having these in my arsenal because I can use them for so many projects, and a round mirror never goes out of style. Think about that. And we're approaching the end, but I'm gonna share some of the other items I picked up. I also grabbed this one on clearance, and I love the color. Some of you may know this, but I am obsessed. It's one of my favorite colors with mustard yellow. I love anything ochre, anything mustardy, anything in that yellow saturation kind of hue. That mustard is just such a beautiful color, which is why I have it. Well, you don't see it back there, but it's like in the back on my dining room wall, and also pretty much everywhere, like on my pillows, on the couches, right here on my flowers. Like I love the shade of that yellow back here. You see, it's everywhere. So I got these kitchen towels. Random, I know, but I needed them. Like I need kitchen towels because the ones I have are like really old and not cute anymore. So I love the texture of these. These are like gauzy. They're pretty cute. I love them. And they were only $4.20 for a set of 2. I got them on clearance. They had a ton of different finish, like not finish, but designs on them. And some of them had stripes. They were blue, red, different colors. But I really like this one. This is the only one they had in this color, so I just grabbed them. I thought it's such a beautiful pop of color. Again, like I'm in the process of redoing my whole kitchen, so I thought this would look really good against all the colors I'm using in that space. And Okay, we're approaching the end. Thank you so much for sticking through this. But also another decor piece that I grabbed that was on clearance. You know when you go through those Target aisles and then you see the end caps and you see that clearance sign and you're like, oh my god, let me check it out. And then you go through them and you're like, oh, this is pretty. I could use it. I could do something. Well, that's my thought process for this. Look at this painting. It's pretty cool. Not a painting, but like a picture. It's pretty cool. It's very graphic. And I really like the colors. I like the lines. So I saw this a while ago, a couple of weeks ago actually. Like I'm gonna say about 3 or so of weeks ago. And I put it up on my Instagram and a lot of people liked this photo, but it was full price. And I was like, you know what? I don't have a use for it. So guess what? It was on clearance today. I went through that aisle. I saw this and look how much I paid for it. $8 from $28. I was like, okay, perfect, I can do it now. And I actually like the frame a lot because even if I wanted to paint over this, I can, and I would have a really good frame around it. So for $8, I thought it was a great deal. And I really like the colors. I thought it was like a cool piece to have. It would add a lot of impact. You could put it on a bathroom or something, like on a bathroom wall or something, you know, depending on your style. But, you know, I always look at things and I look past what they are. And I'm not afraid to like tweak them to fit my personal aesthetic or do something different with them. Maybe I'll do a DIY with this. Let me know, would you like to see a DIY? Maybe, should I keep it like this or should I DIY something with it? Should I DIY a different art piece on here? Let me know because now I'm intrigued. Maybe I can do something different. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments if I should keep it like this or if I should DIY something on it, like maybe paint, maybe do something different. Let me know. And also, yeah, let me know. I'm intrigued. And last but not least, I saved the best for last because these are probably my favorites. So look at these shoes. Oh my god, look at that. I love these. Okay, so let me put them on, model them for you. But I love Target shoes. Target shoes are the best. They are so comfortable. These were only $24 and I thought they were so great. They would be great for spring, to walk around. I have a couple of Target shoes and I've never, knock on wood, had an issue with them, you know? So, these are so cute. I love them. I tried them on. I put a poll up on my Instagram between, there were two options, these and some other ones. These won the bet and honestly, I really like them. I love the little details that they have and super comfortable. And that is my Target haul. Thank you so much for sticking around. Let me know down below which one of these, all of these items was your favorite. If you had one that you liked, if you would love to go get it, I would check your local Target wherever you are. You know, Target has some really cute stuff and sometimes their deals vary from area to area, but check it out. You may find some of these pieces at your local Target, especially the ones from the dollar spot. I think that those are wonderful. I'm talking about the little Vosses, the mirror, and they also had some stencils that I grabbed from a previous Target haul, but I have them somewhere, so they're pretty cool for like $3. So check those out. I also had, like, you saw my kitchen. If you saw my previous video where I did my arch on the kitchen using the Target little stickies for the wall decals, those are incredible. They also came from the dollar section. So I'm telling you, when Target puts their effort, like they literally have been putting an effort into the Target dollar spot because they have some really cute stuff. Again, thank you all for sticking around. Let me know which one was your favorite. I love you. Stay positive. Don't forget to spread some love and spread some kindness because that's what we need out there. Subscribe down below and let me know which one was your favorite. Also, let me know about that painting. And don't forget, the journey is what brings us happiness, not the destination. Thank you all. Have a fantastic rest of your day and I'll see you later. Mwah.